Hey everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, in this tutorial, I'm going to talk to you guys about multiple inserts. For example, first of all, I want to clear this SQL. Let's remove this and let's remove also this. This is the from previous lecture. Okay guys, you can see here I have new Apple table, and in here I just have one ID, one name, one age. Actually, I have just one row. And if I want to add here something, for example, in the previous example, I add here value ID and age, and I add here this. But let's for now remove this. I will say insert into new underscore Apple. Okay, and let's write open and close parentheses. I want to add ID and just the name, and the values open and close parentheses will be ID2 and the name, let's write larv. Okay, this is my ID and the name. If I click this, run, and let's click this again, select asterisk from the Apple, you can see here I just add here one ID and one name. If I want to add here another row, I should come here, I should say insert into new underscore Apple, and the open and close parentheses again ID and the name. Okay, and I should write here values open and close parentheses again 3 and the home. You can see here guys, let's write here semicolon. You can see here guys, it is so long job, I don't want to do this. I will remove this and I will say I want to add here multiple inserts. First of all, let's make this beautiful, this code. For this we should click Ctrl and B. If you click like this, actually we didn't do anything because our SQL also already is beautiful. For the beauty your code, you can click Ctrl and the B. For example, if you click like this, you can see select star from the Apple. Okay, you can see this is the beautiful code. For like this, select asterisk from and the Apple. But in the previous example, it was like this. If you click Ctrl and B, this will be like this. If you click here, actually here, nothing changes. Okay guys, it doesn't matter. Let's come here, let's say I want to add here multiple inserts. For doing this, I should click enter, okay, and I should write here comma. After typing out this comma, I will come here and I will say again ID3 and the name, let's write name Mark. Okay, if you choose this, actually I already added this larv. Let's change this, or let's remove this from here. Okay, let's apply. Actually we cannot do this. I will say unknown, and let's write, let's actually delete this row. Okay guys, let's apply and finish. Okay, if I click this and if I run, actually I'm having a problem here. Let's see what it is. It's because I have a problem with my parentheses. I should write my parentheses like this. Okay, it should work now. Let's click, and it worked. Let's select all the users from the table. You can see I add here larv and Mark. And in the previous example, I said I should write here insert into new underscore Apple, and the open and close parentheses ID, name, and here values, and again open and close parentheses, and I should write my work here. But I don't want to do this. If, for example, I can do this now because I want to just add 3 or 2 values. But let's assume we have to add 50 values. Okay, in this time, this is the way we want to go because it is so short. Let's just write here comma, let's click enter. I will write open and close parentheses 4, and I will say Tony. Okay, let's write one more comma, open and close parentheses 5, and let's write, for example, a name. I will say Mary. Okay, you can see I wrote just all of this like this. Let's just remove this because I already added them. Okay, if you click this and if you run it, let's choose this again. You can see here I add here actually Tony, Mary, Mark and Laura using multiple inserts.